A free trial and a paid subscription can be two states of one agreement rather than two unrelated events. The first state may cost $0 today, while the next state carries a recurring price. Reading the transition between those states is a basic form of financial literacy. Imagine Sophia opening a fictional language app called Word Harbor. Its phone offer displays a 14-day free trial followed by $24 per month. The app, person, dates, price, and terms are invented so the example can show one renewal path without describing a real service. During sign-up, Sophia links a fictional payment card to the trial account. No monthly charge appears on day one, but the saved payment method creates a billing connection that can be used if the trial reaches its stated renewal point under the fictional terms. The terms scanner separates four fields that are easy to blur together: trial length, renewal price, billing cycle, and cancellation rule. In this example, those fields read 14 days, $24 monthly, and the app's fictional cancellation process. Each label answers a different question. A 14-cell strip then counts the free period from day 1 through day 14. The numbered cells show duration, not spending, and they stop before the paid state begins. Day 15 sits beyond the strip as the stated renewal point in this invented agreement. The renewal boundary makes the timing relation explicit. Day 1 starts the trial, day 14 ends it, and day 15 carries the $24 renewal label. Moving across that boundary changes the contract state even though the phone and account may look unchanged. On the state panel, days 1 to 14 remains labeled free trial while day 15 becomes $24 per month. The arrow does not claim that a charge was hidden, it demonstrates that the displayed terms describe a scheduled change from a zero-price state to a recurring price state. Suppose Sophia leaves the fictional subscription active through 3 paid billing cycles. 3 separate cards appear, one for each $24 monthly charge. The stack represents repeated billing events after the trial, not 3 charges on day 1 and not 3 additional free periods. The arithmetic panel combines those repeated paid cycles. $24 multiplied by 3 months equals $72. That $72 is the cumulative renewal cost in this narrow example. It excludes taxes, discounts, refunds, price changes, and any other rule that the fictional terms do not display. Trial length matters because the word free describes only the first 14 days here. It does not describe month 1 after renewal, month 2, or month 3. A calendar label therefore needs to stay attached to the price label and the billing cycle label. The saved card also has a specific role. It links the trial account to a payment method so the later billing state can operate under the agreement. It does not prove that Sophia noticed every term, used the app, valued the service, or received a refund. Renewal timing can be misunderstood when people treat day 14 and day 15 as the same moment. The boundary scene keeps them separate, the trial ends on one labeled side, and the monthly price begins on the next labeled side according to this fictional example. The $0 label on the phone describes today's entry price, while $24 per month describes the later recurring state. Both labels can be accurate at once because they refer to different times. Removing the time labels would remove the information needed to reconcile them. This is why subscription literacy is partly state literacy. A person can move from visitor to trial user and then to paid subscriber without opening a new app. The useful audit is to identify which state applies now, which state follows, and what event changes it. Counting the 14 numbered days prevents vague phrases such as soon or later from replacing a date boundary. The strip does not decide whether the service is worthwhile. It simply makes the duration visible so the zero price period and the paid period do not merge. Repeated $24 charges also show why one renewal price and cumulative cost answer different questions. $24 is the amount attached to one monthly cycle in this example. $72 is the total of 3 completed paid cycles, found by counting equal billing events. A compact review can therefore follow 4 visible fields before any conclusion: 14-day trial length, $24 renewal price, monthly billing cycle, and cancellation rule. Real services can use different dates, prices, taxes, notice periods, refund rules, and cancellation procedures, so their own current terms control. The plain takeaway is that $0 today does not erase a stated later price. The renewal boundary connects the free period to the paid period, and the billing count connects one monthly price to cumulative cost. This lesson is educational only, not financial advice or a personalized purchasing recommendation.